very quick view here. This is coming along. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series Artwork 56 in progress. This is a video documentation part 6. So I've pretty much completed the most of the upper section here. It says KAISERR-PERMINentay of Washington. Online and hard copy graphic text design eye-bleechy. See-Not See Monster. Hard to read, just like everything that KAISERR-PERMINentay of Washington, just like everything that they print. All manner of hard copy publication text, as well as their website. Not approved by any of their own staff, optometrists and or ophthalmologists. All right, to be continued. We're getting some foul feedback over here. Thank you, Boyds. F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L. All right, to be continued.